Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to HIMedia Helpdesk. I'm your host, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a file from tracking. So, let's just get a status of what our current directory looks like. So we're going to type git status, hit enter. On branch master, no commits yet, changes to be committed, new file blue, new file red, untracked files yellow. Well, that's fine, but I don't want red to be tracked anymore. I want yellow to be tracked. So let's start by adding yellow to our thing, which you guys should know how to do already. But if you don't, I'm going to go over again. GIT ADD, name of the file, which is yellow, and we hit add. And when we run get status again, and we're going to do dash S, which the S stands for shorthand or short code or shortcut or whatever, and we'll come up with A for added, new added file. So now blue is added, red is added, yellow is added, but we don't want yellow, we don't want red on there anymore. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do GIT RM, which if you remember from a previous video, stands for remove. Then we're going to do two dashed lines and write out the word CACHED, for which is cached, which is a fancy way of which is another way of saying we're just removing tracking. So I'm going to remove red, and then we're going to do the get status dash S again. So what did I just do? Well, in using our analogy, I saw that there was I saw that there was some work on the community table that I didn't want on there anymore for the person to see. I wanted to go work on it privately, so that the head of the project to see. So I removed it and then added something instead I was working on already. So I brought the red paper back to my desk, and I brought the the red paper up to the community table. So now the head of the project can't see the red paper anymore, but it can now see the yellow paper. And the head of the project in this case is the local repository. You know, it's the or before we commit our changes to the different versions, which are the different categories we have set out on the table nearby, which ends with the master, which is what we want to eventually push to in its entirety. So in this video, I showed you how to remove a file from the tracking. And the tracking in this case is the table where the head of the project is checking stuff out. So this has been HIMedia Helpdesk. This is on our Git and Shell tutorial. We will see you guys next time.